What's up, Chads, and welcome to the video. So I've got another layer 2 project for you guys to check out. These guys are called ZKEX, and as you can see here, this is going to be a protocol where you can buy and sell crypto quickly and safely without giving up custody of your assets. ZKEX is a decentralized multi-chain order book exchange secured with zero knowledge proofs. So these guys are still very early on in the roadmap, and they've just decided to start a Questboard for the community to participate in, and obviously it's going to be the people that participate in these Questboard and earn themselves the correct roles or the correct NFTs, which will then qualify themselves to, in the future be eligible to, test the testnet, maybe future airdrops and stuff like that. So the first thing is, if you've never used a crew-free Questboard before, when you do click on the link to go on there, it's going to ask you to create a profile, which you can add a name and a profile picture, and then the most important thing is you want to make sure that you connect your Discord, Twitter and wallet address to there. And once you've done that, you'll come onto this homepage here, and if you go on down onto quests, you can see here is all the available quests that we can do to qualify ourselves for any upcoming roles and stuff like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is you basically just want to click on one of the quests, and seeing as though you've already got your Discord and Twitter account connected to it, all you literally have to do is claim reward like this, and there you go, quest claimed. So you want to go ahead and do that for all the different quests, and as you do that, you'll see the amount of points that you have raises. Then you will increase in levels, and then from that you will be able to make yourself more eligible to be able to use the testnet and maybe some airdrops future on down the line. And thanks for listening as always, guys, and until next time, bye.